Well, day 2, or part 1, day 2, whatever, of my snaring, squirrel snaring. I didn't get nothing. And yeah, it's snowing right now. Probably tomorrow, hopefully tomorrow, I get something. Unless I scared it. And yesterday, I killed this squirrel over there. And I killed 2 chickens over there, over this, on the other side of the road. And yeah. We've seen another squirrel, but we're too busy shooting those chickens. And yeah. Well, today I'm gonna make another whatever you call it. I'm gonna put snares here like the other one. And I put seeds there earlier. And I'll put peanut butter right here. My snares across like that. And yeah, I'll come back with you when I'm done. Well, I put my peanut butter on and I'm done the snares. My camera's getting cold, so it looks shaky. And yeah, I just put snare there so it won't fall off. And yeah. Well, see ya. Well, just killed a squirrel. I killed him over there. Right where you see that timber down tree there? Right behind it. These big trees. And yeah, I heard him probably from the road, and the road probably like 2 kilometers away. And that's pretty far. I shot him right, no, that's the exit. I shot him right here, right behind the ear. And then I gave him another shot because he was still moving. You can see it right there. And these are the exit wounds. Exit out right there on his chest, and exit out right behind his ear there. And I was using a Gamma Recon 177 caliber. And yeah, I was just walking in the middle of nowhere. No tracks here, just these indents. Look how deep the snow is. Up to my knee. Or right here. Right where my bruise is. My bag. My bait. I'm gonna put my squirrel in there instead. Put my bait in my bag there. And yeah, I just killed a squirrel. Sorry I couldn't show you guys because I don't have my stand. And yeah. And I think it's a male. And its tail's cut off. It's pretty short. It was barking at me, or making that chatter noise. So I just shot it. Oh yeah, and there's a crow right on that tree right there. A crow on that tree right there, and I shot it. I shot and I missed it. It was real close too. Right here, and just right there. Seems far on the camera because I can't zoom in. And yeah. Well, peace out.